get it. Well, that didn't last long. Oh. Cheap. Cheap plastic bag. Snapped it. These jumps aren't that big too. Wow. I don't know. I don't know about that. Oh well. I got an extra one, I'll change it out. Come on, man, that was a easy side landing and still snapped. Crazy, man. Yep, they're not like Traxxas for sure. I did hit it on the side, angle side of it, but still. Oh well, shit. That's what it is. I'll get that changed out. Maybe I'll bust out the. I'll probably bust out the Mojave, see how it jumps that ramp. Alright. Ooh, deep. Oh. What? I must have put the wrong battery in. Shit. Alright. Yeah. That's one of my dead batteries I had on it, but damn, it flies good in there. I didn't charge any of them. From yesterday's bash. I thought I charged it, but I guess I did use it. Well, I got a few good jumps out of it anyway. I think I have. I'll run that one there. parked. No control with that. Oh. Fucking right on that fucking dog shit too. Fucking no control. Oh, let's see. I didn't have battery charge for this one. The freaking sky and that piece of shit broke already. Fucking dog shit over there in the corner. Alright, well, shit. Get that one fixed. Look at the run. Sorry, that battery was charged for this one, but it wasn't. Damn, skied on the ramp. This one, these tires, there's no control. You have to go slower just to have a little bit of control. So I'll use these for bashing, just whipping around. Yeah. That's it for today. Fix that one up later. Alright, later. Charging up them batteries. Tamper. Yesterday's little bash. I don't know how that happened. But you've seen what happened to that one. And this one. Front gave up. My other video, remember I changed that. Oh, I'm missing the bolt. But yeah, those are some hard front hits because no control with these tires. But yep, this one, yeah. Remember I glued it. Broke. Fine. Well, it lasted for a little while anyway. But I'm gonna change it out when I get this one fixed too. I don't know, man. It's pretty fragile plastic. I don't know, but we can get that on tape. Get those both fixed, ready for a little rip. Yeah, that's a little update on them. That one, that was already broke. I just glued it. But I figure I'm gonna just change it. And that one, you saw the back on it. Alrighty, that's the update from yesterday. Oh, nothing wrong with that one. Just the batteries weren't charged. I didn't charge. I thought it was a charged battery. It wasn't. But it got a couple good sends off the ramp. But anyways, yeah, I can get those fixed today. Part number C-00180-528 for your lower rear. $10, $11 part. Oh, get it on this one. Boom. Yeah. Oh yeah. Hold on, this is pretty similar to the front. The only thing is this thing you have to take these two screws off same way. You may need to adjust the drip screws. Yep, she's done. Done. And I taped both sides on the front. I don't know about this stuff though. Can't really hang with that in the winter. I'll try one more time though. I'm gonna run it later on today. Break again. It's gonna go back in its fucking box, that's for sure. Yeah, just charging up batteries. Get this one done. Won't take long either. You'll see on my other videos, I'm gonna video that. But mainly that's done. Simple. Only thing different is this stuff here. Same bolts in the bottom. 2 here and 2 in the bottom to take this plate off. Same washers. Pull them out. Put them. It's gonna go right towards that droop screw. Where the hell is that other piece? Did I already throw it? No. See, that fucking droop screw. So I'm wondering if I need to just take them off. I'll find out though. Next round. What you done? 8, 9, 20. Yeah. So where I glued, broke. I don't know if this top piece might be okay, but I'm just gonna change the whole thing. You'll see in my other videos, but I'm just showing you what broke. Alright. She done. Don't take long to change. All done. We're ready to rock. Alright. Just a little bit of update on the Maxx and the Kagama. Really the Kagama though, but you've seen my other videos on that. Yep. Well, test her out again later today. Alrighty, later.